Welcome to the Creating Calm for Kids online course. In this course, you will learn how to recognize and respond to anxiety in 5 to 12-year-olds. I'm Dr. Kate Owen. I'm a clinical psychologist and a clinical family therapist, and I have been in the counseling and mental health field since 2002. In the first decade of my career, I worked in a child and youth mental health service, and in this next decade of my career, I've been in private practice on the Gold Coast. I have a passion for supervising other professionals, and I travel all around Southeast Queensland supervising government and non-government teams. Previously, for the last 8 years, I've been teaching in a university postgraduate course. I run workshops and training all around Australia, and in 2018, I launched the Queensland Institute of Family Therapy. So for professionals who like to work towards becoming recognised as a family therapist. You will get a lot of information in this course. It will all be valuable, useful, and interesting. And please know that the information in this course is educational in nature, and it does not consider your personal objectives, situation, or specific needs. This information is not a substitute for personal or professional advice, and I strongly recommend that you seek that professional advice if required for your situation. And for professionals who have enrolled, the information in this course is for professional development purposes. So please respect that recording and distributing this material is prohibited. There are also some links in the course that are linked to an affiliate program. So who is this course for? Well, it's for everybody. It's for all the key significant adults in a child's life. So that could be parents or carers or other family members. They're school teachers, educators, school communities, and other professionals who work with children, such as sports coaches, gymnastic teachers, after school care workers. And there's also videos later in the course that are designed for your child to watch as well. I hope we can create a common language and approach across all the key people in a child's life. So what will you get out of this course? You will get a very good understanding of what is anxiety, what happens in the brain, what happens in the body. What does it look like in children, because it can present in many forms. Where does it come from, and when is it a problem to seek help? The bigger picture, reflecting on family life, and then this really interesting talk on how anxiety is contagious. Then we do a deep dive into the strategies. We have relational approaches, we have strategies to soothe the body, strategies for the mind. I'll introduce you to emotional freedom techniques, or EFT or tapping. There's a video on creating a Keep Calm kit, and then there's a section just for teachers. And at the end and all through the course, there are links to resources, book recommendations, and if you could fill out the survey and don't forget to download your certificate. So please remember that all children are unique, all families are unique, and this conversation is not a one-size-fits-all solution. The ideas that you will get in this course are very much suited for mild to moderate anxiety. So if you have a child with severe anxiety or with comorbid difficulties, which just means they have other things going on as well, please seek support because you'll need additional strategies. And I have made this course with you in mind, the busy adult. So you can log in and go at your own pace. The videos are short, so they're bite-sized chunks of learning. There's handouts you can download, and please feel free to share those handouts. There's things to practice, links to resources, and questions so that you can reflect on the material presented and then integrate it with your own personal circumstances. Now just remember, above all else, look after yourself. When we're talking about anxiety, sometimes that can evoke anxious feelings. So here's your first question. What is your goal for completing this course, and why? How would you and your child's life be different by engaging in the course material? So write those answers down somewhere because at the end of the course, I'll ask you to reflect on that same question. And what you will find at the end of every lecture, as you scroll down, is there'll be links to other resources that you can access as well. Okay, well, I will see you in the next video.